Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the phase 1 and phase 2 process before onboarding. So as you might already know that phase 1 and phase 2 onboarding will be started very soon. So in this video we are going to discuss about the mistakes that you should not do so that you don't get your joining delayed or you get the joining at the earliest. So basically in this video we are going to discuss about the required documents, do not do mistakes, details on ICIMS profiles. Now many of you have got the survey mails, so we are also going to discuss about that, and 100% PJP complete, will it leads to joining soon or not? Okay, so all of these queries are going to be answered. If you are from Elite phase 1 or phase 2 and have got any updates on joining or have received any joining mails, please mention in the comment section. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. We regularly upload off-campus drives as well as onboarding related latest news on the channel, so that it will be helpful for you if you subscribe to the channel so that you get the latest notification. So let's start. So in this video we are going to discuss about the very important updates, so make sure that you watch the video till complete end. So first of all, Wipro phase 1 and phase 2 process. So it is not compulsory that you will receive the document verification mail. If your documents are already uploaded, you might not get this mail. Okay, so there are many candidates who ask in the comment section that we have not got this mail, so does it mean that we will get the onboarding late, or does it mean that our name is not there in the list or something like that, right? So it is not to be worried. It is only this mail, the survey mail is sent to only those candidates whose details are not completed on the ICIMS profile, and that is why they need to upload the remaining documents on the portal. Next is, we advise candidates to stay safe and only upload the fully correct documents, as if anything wrong gets uploaded, then Wipro can send direct termination mail by looking at their previous trends. So like from past 15 days the scenario is good, but before that you might already know that many students have got the termination mail also. So we always suggest that please, whenever you upload any documents, please be very sure that the documents you are uploading are correct. Next is, it doesn't matter whether you are from phase 1 or phase 2. If your details are not completed on ICIMS portal, Wipro team will send you the mail to fill complete details on ICIMS portal. Now many students have this kinds of confusion that my friend is from phase 1 and he have got the mail but I didn't, I am from phase 2, or vice versa, right? So it is not like phase 1 or phase 2 thing. If your details are completed on the portal, you will not get this mail, and if they want that some of your details are not completed, then they will send you this kind of mail. So next thing is, if your details are completely filled on ICIMS and still you have received the mail to fill your complete details, in that case you can send a mail to manager.campus@wipro.com mentioning that your all the details are completed on the portal. So there are many candidates also who have received this mail and they were saying that we have got this mail but there is nothing to upload because already the details we have uploaded are correct only, right? So in that case you can send an email to this email ID. And some of the tips are, be prepared with all of your mark sheets, provisional degree and documents that are that they have mentioned during the PJP. And if you do not know what all the documents are, you might already have that PJP mail with you. Please go ahead and check that. Now Wipro has clearly mentioned over the mail that depending upon the PJP completion they will give joining. So make sure that you complete the PJP, and it is very much important. And you can see this mail. In this mail only they have clearly mentioned that those students who have completely cleared their PJP will get the joining. So it means that if you have clearly or 100% completed your PJP, the chances are that you may get the onboarding in the earlier batches. Next is, now some phase 2 candidates have not got their PJP, so they do not know how can we do our PJP. So don't worry about them. So it is not for them, it is only for them who has got their PJPs. And if you have got your PJP, then you have to complete it 100%, otherwise no worry. Next is, okay, so this was the mail I was talking about, which in which the candidates were getting that this is regarding some elements of the background verification in your Wipro recruitment process. We have a few questions and clarifications, and these are the essential to take the process forward. Please provide the clarification by clicking on the below link. Your resume ID is this. So basically this was the mail which was related to document verification on ICIMS portal. If you have got this, make sure that you upload your very correct documents. If you have not got, don't worry, it is not for everyone, only those who has not uploaded their documents. And if you are someone whose mark sheets are not yet given by the university, you can wait for the university to release the mark sheets and then you can upload. So with this we have discussed all the complete doubts. If you have any more doubts, you can ask in the comment section. You can join us on different social media platforms like Telegram and Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates. Thank you and all the best for your upcoming joinings.